Hello, WilliamTJRealty back again for another new home tour. I'm in model home. This is part 2 of the series of Perry homes here in the Riceland community. So now I'm headed to the next product of Perry homes. This product is going to be all 3-car garages. It's going to be bigger than what we just saw. They are going to start in the 5s, the mid 5s, and they're going to end in the mid to upper 6s. So this product is going to be the most expensive product out here in the Riceland community as we know it so far. So the model is right here, right behind me. So a little more, remember this community is a master plan community. It's going to have over 4,000 homes. It's going to take 15 plus years to finish this community. It's right next to the city hall, so they're going to have Riceland Town Center right there. It's right next to Eagle Point, so there's going to be a lot of perks to this community, and this is going to be prime real estate for people that want to stay in the Mont Belvieu area and want to stay right close to the city halls, the police department, the fire department in this area. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys this model home behind me. And again, 3-car garage. Is going to have a theater room, it's going to have a office, and it's going to have 3 bathrooms with about 12-foot ceilings. So without further ado, let us see it. Remember, like, comment, subscribe to keep up with me and stay in contact with me and keep up with the videos. Also, if you guys would like to know the different promotions going on here, please remember to contact me. My contact information should be somewhere on the screen. Without further ado, let's look inside. All right, so as soon as you walk up, you have 8-foot doors. Front office area. Perry Homes obviously does a nice job at staging. Walk-in closets. Washroom. be. Theater room. So this is the third bedroom. Again, Perry Homes does a very, very nice job at the staging. Also, this is a suite. It has the bathroom in it. Wonderful master bedroom here. Again, Perry Homes with the staging. Very, very nice. Have the two sinks there. Walk-in shower, step down the glass so you can look at the tub. Master closet. Nice back deck here. Just like the other one, they have the nice fire pit here in the middle. The nice landscaping. And you can hear the generator right there. So this yard is a little bigger, the house is bigger, and they give you a little more space in the yard. Well, there you go, another nice home tour by the builder Perry Homes, one of the top luxury builders, if not the top luxury builder in this greater Houston area. Perry Homes has a lot of promotions going on, depending on when you guys, if you guys were interested, when you guys want to try to do any type of transaction, you guys may be able to get some money off. I've saw Perry Homes offer upwards of $30,000 off of a home. It just depends on if it's a spec home and if it was sitting there for a while, but just in general, even if you're having it built, sometimes they do different promotions here and there from month to month. Just get with me or get with your real estate agent to know when that time is. Again, if you guys please like, comment, subscribe down below to keep up with me and let me know what else you guys would want to see here in this community. This builder was a nice luxury builder. You guys saw it had an office, it had a theater room, even this back porch is very nice. Let me know anything else you guys may be interested in. I think with a few other builders I might do like a pre-construction video just showing you guys kind of what's going on, what goes on behind the walls, and what you guys can expect. The builder from Chesmar told me that he's open to doing that. Let me know if you guys would want to see that. It is hot out here. You guys see I got my cap on. The Southeast Texas heat is nothing to play around with, if you guys don't know. And it's gonna get hotter, only gonna get hotter. So I think when we come off of the winter time, we kind of get used to it being a little cool, and now as it's heating up, the heat gets to us even when it's only in the 80s. But here's gonna get into the high 90s and the low 100s in the next couple of months, I'm sure of it. But yeah, it's a lot of building going on here, guys. If you look behind me, you see a lot of houses going up. So this community is booming. They are not playing. We're gonna have another realtor event coming up in September. So but anyway, that's enough of me ranting. Guys, take care. Remember, if you guys are interested in any of these homes, my contact information is on the screen. You guys can also go to WilliamTJRealty.com/new construction, or you guys can go to Mont Belvieu homesforsale.com and click on the Riceland community, or you can just do a home search to kind of see what's available. Everything that's available is not gonna be on there, just the things that's on the MLS currently. So if you guys want to know everything that's available, please do get with me. And guys, thank you for supporting me Without you guys, I have no business. Of course, I'm just a real estate agent. I don't make any money from these videos. So thank you guys for reaching out to me and allowing me to represent you guys when buying a house. There's a lot of perks to buying a new construction home. You know, you get a 10-year structure warranty. You get a year on anything as a warranty. You get 2 years on appliances normally. Also, you guys get to be the first people that were in the home, so you get to know everything from start to finish. So yeah, there's a lot of perks, and having an agent when buying a house is also very nice because we get to represent you guys for your best interest. So guys, that's it for this home tour. Next, I'm gonna be doing David Weegley homes, so stay tuned for those videos coming out. See you guys in the next video.